Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure your Skype mobile and your Microsoft 365 account are ready. Sign into Skype with the exact account you plan to migrate and update both Skype and Teams apps so features match. Once done, check network stability and battery, because a migration may transfer settings and contacts. If your organization uses tenant controls, request admin consent or enable tenant switch before proceeding. This prevents blocked syncs and ensures Teams can read Skype content. Now you link accounts inside the Teams mobile app. Open Teams, go to Settings, then Chats, and select the option to import or link your Skype account. You will be prompted to grant permissions for contacts, calendar, notifications, and background refresh. Allow them so Teams can pull your Skype data. After granting access, the app will begin syncing chats, contacts, and call logs. Make sure to stay on the screen or keep the app in foreground to avoid interruption while it pulls everything over. Finish by verifying that chats, presence, and contact photos appear in Teams. Scroll through recent conversations and tap a few contacts to confirm presence and calling works. If something's missing, sign out and sign back in or clear the Teams app cache to force a refresh. Make sure to restart the device if sync still stalls. If issues persist, contact your IT admin or open Teams on the web to trigger server-side sync. That often resolves stubborn migration inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.